आज आपल्याला आपल्या नवीन युनिटला सुरुवात करायची आहे. द न्यू पोएम फ्रॉम 2.1 कंपॅरिझन. बट लेट अस अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट इज मीन बाय कंपॅरिझन. So to understand the meaning of comparison, we have to understand the language study part, degree of comparison. What is meant by degree of comparison? We have to understand first and then we will understand the poem comparison. When we think about the degree, we remember three different type of degrees. The first one is positive degree, the second one is comparative degree, and the third one is superlative degree. In these three degrees, we have to use the adjective for comparing two things or two persons. Two things in the nature or two persons. But when we think about two person or two things, we have to select the adjective by describing the noun. We know that when we understand or learn part of speech, we know that adjective means the word who describe any noun or anything, any noun. So for comparing two noun or two natural thing, we have to choose the adjective, and then this adjective can be differentiated with these three different parts. The first one in positive degree, in which the similarity has been given in positive degree. And when we compare two things or two noun, it indicates the differences between two noun or two things. Is it clear? Then the third degree, that is superlative degree. This third degree always show the greatness of the single person in respect of the remaining one. In respecting of the another things, when the one is given greatness, it is called the superlative degrees. And these three degrees has been used in the respect of adjective. For example, if Ram and Shyam both are the students in our class, and if you want to tell the similarity between these two boys, two students, we can write Ram is as intelligent as Shyam. And in this sentence, we have expressed the similarity of Ram and Shyam in respect of intelligence. In respect of intelligence. So, Ram and Shyam या दोघांच्या बुद्धिमत्तेबद्दल, इंटेलिजन्स बद्दल आपण या ठिकाणी सिमिलॅरिटी दाखवलेली आहे. Then the second example we can take, Sakshi is as tall as Trupti. When two girls are similar in height, we can write Sakshi is as tall as Trupti. Is it clear? So, if you want to express the similarity, we generally use the positive degree. Then the second one is differences. We know that everyone is not similar. Everything is different in respect of something. For example, if we have taken these two girls, Sakshi and Trupti, both girls' skin color is not similar. So, we can write Sakshi is not as fair as Trupti. Here, Sakshi has the skin color of brownish and Trupti has the fair one. So, we can write Sakshi is not as fair as Trupti. It means we can write the sentence in comparative degree, that is Trupti is fairer than Sakshi. Trupti is fairer than Sakshi. Here we have add er than to the adjective. It means in comparative degree, fair, that is the first form of adjective is used, and in the comparative degree we have to add er than after the adjective. Just remember in previous classes, standard 8, we have already understand how to add er or more of the adjective. We know that when the adjective consists of two ovale, then we have to add er, and if the adjective consists of more than 3, just remember 3 and more than 3, then we have to add more in front of the adjective and then after the adjective. जर विशेषणात स्वराची संख्या 2 असेल तर त्याला er than लावतो, आणि विशेषणात स्वराची संख्या 3 आणि त्यापेक्षा जास्त असेल तर त्या विशेषणाच्या अगोदर more आणि विशेषणाच्या नंतर than लावतो. त्यानंतर the third one, superlative. When we say Ram is the best boy in the class, in that is the best in front of the whole students. So these three type of degrees we have understand under the heading of language study. Now when we start our poem comparison, in this poem there are the different natural things in which the living and non-living thing also given, and we have given the opposite pairs of the things and living creature on the nature. In this nature we can see so many things which are always contrast in their nature. For example, coal is a dark and milk is a white. So we can say dark as a coal and bright as a milk. Fast as a spaceship, snow as a snake. There are so many things in the nature which are already contrast in their activities, contrast in their quality. So the poet describes all the natural things which are directly compare or contrast in their quality. So we will start our poem tomorrow.